Hi, it's Rob Anderson here with Dollar Moves. I'd like to welcome you to another video. Now, the topic of the video today is actually about a financial service that a company has that can help you grow your online business. Now, this company's name is Kabbage, and they actually give cash advances to online businesses. Before I go any further, I want to let you know that there will be a link underneath this video on YouTube, and also there will be a link underneath the video at dollarmoves.com/cash, and you will be able to go and sign up through either of those links, and it is actually an affiliate link, and I will get a kickback too, but I just wanted to let you know in case you don't even want to watch the video and you're ready to go try and sign up for some money, those links are there and available. So anyway, again, the company's name is Kabbage, and they give cash advances to people with online businesses. Now, I've got quite a few notes here I want to go through. I'm going to give you an overview of what the company does and what their cash advances are, how you get them, all that. And then I will follow it up with my experience with Kabbage. I've actually got a couple of cash advances myself for my business. So the first thing is that the online businesses that are eligible for the cash advance are if you sell on Amazon, eBay, Etsy, Yahoo stores, Shopify, if you have your own store or service that uses PayPal to process payments, and also the users of Authorize.net. So all of those have the ability to be eligible for a cash advance. So if you're doing one of those, so far so good. And now also too, a new thing is it's available in the United Kingdom. So when you go to the link, all you need to do once you go through the link either under this YouTube video or at dollarmoves.com/cash, once you get to the Kabbage website, you'll go to the top of the page and you will choose United Kingdom up there, and then they can get you all set up and you can check out what kind of money you can get for over there. So that's a new thing. I'm super excited about that, and because I know I've had a few people talk to me about different questions and stuff about the UK, so or from the UK, so that's very cool. Let's see here. So it is free to sign up and to see how much money your business is approved for. You can be qualified for the funds in 7 minutes or less, and that was my experience with it too. The funds are transferred instantly into your PayPal account, or 3 to 5 business days if you decide to have it deposited into your bank account. 80% of people get qualified if they take PayPal, sell on eBay, Amazon, Etsy, Shopify, or Yahoo Store. So 80% of the people get qualified for that. There are no surprises. All the fees and future payments are shown to you up front before you agree to the terms. You will know exactly how much money you'll be paying each month, and also the total amount that you will have paid at the end of your 6 months repayment fees or repayment period. So everything's laid out in the front. You'll know absolutely before you agree to anything that, you know, they lay it all out there. There's no surprises. So I really enjoyed that about it. Once you are approved, there's no obligation to use the money that you've been qualified for. So if you just want to see how much money you can get, or if you can get any money, you can do that, and it doesn't mean you have to take that money. So it can just be available to you. You can choose to receive all the money that you are approved for, or less if your business does not require that much right now. So you don't have to take the full amount. If they say you have X amount of dollars, you could take half of that, or a smaller, you know, whatever you want to do on that. Let's see, you can use the money for things like buying inventory, getting hourly help, or buying equipment, amongst other things. So just about anything you can think of that applies to your business, you know, it ends up giving you the ability to have a little more purchasing power. So let's see here. And you can pay back the cash advance as quickly as you like with no prepayment penalties. So that's an overview of a cash advance from Kabbage. Those are the things. So if you're interested in looking into it, I'm going to actually give you my experience with it. If you don't care to hear that and you're just ready to go and see if you can get some money within 7 minutes, check down below at the link that I have under the YouTube video, or go to www.dollarmoves.com/cash, and underneath that video there will be a link also. I really appreciate it if you guys if you guys sign up through my affiliate link, as I will get a kickback, and I do appreciate that. So now, my experience with cabbages, I first heard about cabbage in the holiday season of 2011, and at first, you know, I wasn't sure if what I wanted to do. I kind of, you know, I wanted to wait and see how it did for other people, and you know, I was a little reluctant in the beginning. I was still my business was pretty new, so I really, you know, I kind of I wanted to hold back and see how everyone did with that, how, you know, what people said about it, and honestly, I mean, I heard like pretty much all good stuff. Literally the only bad thing I heard was one guy said that they weren't taking their money out as soon, like the date they said they were taking it out a little bit afterwards. So basically, you know, keeping that money in your account for you a little longer. So, but let's see here. So then in May of 2012 was when I first signed up for Kabbage Cash Advance. To see if I qualified, and I was qualified, but I decided not to use my advance until the middle of September of 2012, which was 4.5 months after I was approved. So like I said, you can check and see how much money you can get, or if you are approved, and if you are, you don't have to use the money right then. I didn't myself. So again, the middle of September 2012 was when I used my first small amount. I liked the ease of use with Kabbage and decided to take a larger advance in November to pump up my holiday purchasing power. I was able to purchase quite a lot of product with the additional capital. So it really helped me to boost my products for the holiday season. For me, that was perfect because it gave me more room to breathe as far as when I found deals that were out there, I was able to take advantage of them and really stock up for the Christmas season. So let's see, it's been great for my business. Like I said before, they or maybe I didn't say that actually, but I actually choose to have them direct deposit right into my account. So if you have PayPal, they will transfer funds automatically, like instantly, if you do it through PayPal. If you do it through your account, which I do, it takes a couple days for the money to get in there. So, but yeah, so I actually have them, let's see here, I have them direct deposit into my account, my advances, and then they take my payments out directly too, just by themselves. So I really don't have to do anything except for make sure that I have the money in there to cover my payment, which is no problem. And one business lesson that I learned the hard way was to have money available before you need it. Because, you know, there's nothing worse than coming across like a great deal that you can't afford to get. Or that maybe you tapped out your money on purchasing all this other product and then something else comes in front of you and you can't get to it. Well, if you prepare beforehand and have this line of money or option to get the money available, then at least, you know, you can get to stuff quick. You know, if something breaks down, you can fix it quick. You have that thing there, and it's that peace of mind. If you need, you know, to step up your tools, and maybe you want to get a scan fob, and that's the thing that'll kick up your business. You know, I know it kicked up my business. You just have to decide for your own business, but that's the thing that I learned is like, get the how would I say it? Find out how to have money available before you need it. Like, just be prepared, you know. So, but yeah, that's the thing that I did with Kabbage. I mean, like, just like when I got it in May, but I didn't use it until September. It's like I wanted to have that money for just in case. If I needed to use it or whatever, it was available. So when September came around and the things that I wanted to purchase were there, I ended up buying it, no problem, and Kabbage has been awesome. I mean, for me, it's done everything it said. I talked about it in a video back Black Friday, actually. I had a little link underneath that because I was just kind of, you know, just new to it, and I had the chance to tell you guys about it back then, but you know, I said it under that video, but it was just a little kind of side note because I hadn't done a lot with it, and now I feel like I've done a lot more with Kabbage, so I'm more comfortable, and I really want to I've had no problems. It's been perfect for me. So let's see here. So again, if you feel like this might be right for your business, or you want to take a look and see if the amount that they want to give you and the payments and all that are good for you, go ahead and go below this video if you're on YouTube and click on the link. It'll take you directly to Kabbage's website, and you can sign up and see if you qualify for for a cash advance from them. And again, you can also go to www.dollarmoves.com/cash and sign up through Kabbage there. And again, for you UK sellers, that's the new thing too. So Kabbage has just started having that available also. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs up are always appreciated. Any positive comments. And hey, if you want to subscribe too, you can subscribe up here and share it with anyone you know. I mean, because again, this works for Amazon, eBay, Etsy, Yahoo Store, Shopify, your own store if you have a service that uses PayPal to process your payments, and then also people that use Authorize.net. So if you know anyone like that maybe they could benefit from having an open available amount of money, or times right now it would help, they may have a situation, please share it with them. This is a great service. Kabbage has just been super professional. So for me, I've been really happy with it. I've taken out 2 advances, like I said, and I plan on doing business with them again in the future. And one side note before I jump off here, as I'm paying down my advance, they are keeping an available amount for me. I'm basically opening back up the amount that I'm paying off. So something to think about. It's nice to have that option there when you're in need of some funds. So anyway, again, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Take care.